Hi, this video I share about the underline string this function in Python class and object. Now I create a class. Create a class use this class key. Create class Python. Then use defined underline inlet and this self. You can use self. You can use self. You can use any word you want. This is self. Is this class. And class self means. And this you can write this primary tag here. You can display. You can put many primary tag here you want. Today I just put the name, parameter, and age. And this I send the value to the class name equal to name self age. Yes. Here this self you can use any you want. Like I write myself. If you write myself this place you can write myself. This you always change myself like that. This all can work. So now I create this class person. Now I use this person to create object. Like I create the person one object. I use this class person to create. I put two arguments inside, like a name. The name is a string. You need this. And how old? 36. And now I already created person one. Use this person class. Create object person one. I try to check the person one already created already. So I start print p name. Okay, print. Okay, already created. You see the name already print out. Now age. Try the age. You see age 36. I create person one. The person one name is John and the age is 36. How about I want to create this person, this project. I want one time this name and this age same time print out. Error cannot print out what I want. How I can do? So we just add this underline string, and define underline string, and Yeah, this I can add myself here. So I can sign and return. This is what I want. Use this is what I return. I use F from myself. Now myself age. So now we print this object P again. See what happened. You see, print out John 36. This is what I shared today. Thank you for watching.